Buying a used car can be a great way to save money, but if you're not careful, you could end up with a lemon, a vehicle riddled with hidden defects that can cost you thousands in repairs. Unscrupulous car dealers and private sellers use various tricks to disguise major issues, hoping to pass off a faulty car as a reliable ride. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to spot a lemon and expose the deceptive tactics sellers use to cover up problems. Common signs of a lemon. Before even talking to a seller, familiarize yourself with these telltale signs that a car may be a lemon. Inconsistent paint or body panels, uneven gaps between panels, or mismatched paint can indicate prior accidents. Odd noises like knocking, rattling, or whining sounds from the engine, transmission, or suspension often signal serious mechanical issues. Strong or strange odors like a moldy smell inside may indicate water damage, while a burning scent can signal overheating or electrical issues. If the check engine light is on or recently turned off, it could mean hidden trouble. Bring an OBD2 scanner to check for stored error codes. Rust on the frame, undercarriage, or wheel wells may indicate neglect or prior flood damage. Uneven tire tread wear can signal alignment issues, suspension problems, or a prior accident. Sloppy repair jobs, misaligned trim, overspray, or missing fasteners can indicate poor quality repairs. Odometer tampering. Excessive wear on pedals, steering wheel, and seat upholstery compared to the mileage may suggest rollback fraud. Dirty trick sellers use to hide lemon cars. Dishonest dealers and sellers use deceptive tactics to cover up flaws. Here's what to watch out for. Odometer rollback. How it works. Sellers tamper with digital or mechanical odometers to lower the mileage and inflate the value. How to spot it. Check maintenance records, look for excessive wear, and compare mileage with vehicle history reports, like Carfax or AutoCheck. Title washing. How it works. A car with a salvage or rebuilt title gets registered in a different state to erase its bad history. How to spot it. Always run a vehicle history report and check for past registrations across multiple states. Flood damaged vehicles. How it works. Cars that have been submerged in floods are cleaned up and sold as normal used vehicles. How to spot it. Look for water stains under the carpet, condensation in headlights, musty smells, or rust in hidden areas like under the seats and in trunk crevices. Covering up frame damage. How it works. After a severe accident, some sellers perform cheap repairs and repaint the car to hide structural damage. How to spot it. Have a mechanic inspect the undercarriage, look for uneven panel gaps, and check for inconsistent welds. Hiding engine and transmission issues. How it works. Adding thick oil or transmission additives can temporarily mask engine knocking or transmission slipping. How to spot it. Drive the car for at least 15 minutes and see how it shifts and idles. Have a trusted mechanic perform a thorough inspection. Disconnecting the battery to reset error codes. How it works. Sellers may disconnect the battery to temporarily check engine lights before a test drive. How to spot it. Check if the clock or radio settings have been reset, and always use an OBD2 scanner to detect hidden issues. Selling at night or in bad weather. How it works. Sellers may arrange test drives in poor lighting or rain to make scratches, dents, or smoke appear less obvious. How to spot it. Always inspect a car in daylight and dry conditions. Pressure tactics. How it works. High pressure sales tactics make you feel rushed, so you don't have time to inspect the car properly. How to spot it. Walk away if the seller is pushing you to make a decision on the spot. How to protect yourself when buying a used car. Step 1. Always get a pre-purchase inspection, or PPI. A certified mechanic can spot hidden problems that the average buyer won't notice. The small cost of an inspection can save you thousands in future repairs. Step 2. Get a vehicle history report. Always check the car's history using services like Carfax, AutoCheck, or the National Motor Vehicle Title Information System, also known as NMVTIS, to see past accidents, title status, and odometer records. Step 3. Test drive the right way. Drive on the highway and in stop and go traffic. Test acceleration, braking, and steering responsiveness. Listen for odd sounds from the engine, transmission, or suspension. Step 4. Verify the VIN, which stands for Vehicle Identification Number. Make sure the VIN on the dashboard matches the one on the title, door sticker, and engine block. Some scammers swap VIN plates to hide a car's real history. Step 5. Avoid too good to be true deals. If a price seems significantly lower than market value, there's probably a reason. Research fair market values on sites like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds. Step 6. Trust your gut. If something feels off, walk away. A reputable seller won't rush you, hide information, or discourage a mechanic's inspection. Buying a used car doesn't have to be a gamble. By knowing the tricks dishonest sellers use and taking the right precautions, you can avoid buying a lemon and drive away with a solid, reliable vehicle. Stay informed. Be skeptical of deals that seem too good to be true, and never skip an inspection. Your wallet and your safety will thank you.